to sternutation. So, yung sternutation is a medical term. So, kung tayo ay pulmonologist, no? Kung pulmonologist tayo, nurse o health worker na lang, kahit sa barangay level, yung term na sternutation, yun ang naiintindihan natin sa common people o common tao, commonly sneezing at ching. So, sa English is sneezing. Pero sa mga nurses and doctors, especially pulmonologists, ang tawag doon is sternutation, yung paghatching. The act of sneezing is called sternutation. Ayan. Kung doktor ka, sternutation kayo pag kayo. Pero pag ordinaryong tao na yung kausap mo o hindi doktor, hindi nurse, sneezing. Yeah. So, yun lang po.